Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today in this video, from the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that this is a review video for Insight Cosmetics lipsticks. Okay, now I will be telling you, briefing you each and everything about this lipstick. But before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it, there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the video. This is the bill. Okay, I got this lipstick from Nykaa. So I would just like to add up one thing over here. So whenever Nykaa is having sale, that time you check out Insight Cosmetics, because that time on Insight Cosmetics they have an offer, like if you buy 2 products you get 10% off. So during that particular offer itself, I got 2 lipsticks. Definitely to review particular brand, 2 lipsticks are not more than enough, but you can understand my problem as well, because I have lot of lipsticks to use and I'm the only person who can use lipstick at my place. So that is what I do is I just got 2 shades right now from Insight Cosmetics. But if you are giving me proper response, if you are giving me huge thumbs up for this video, then definitely I'll be buying all the rest shades. And if you want, I can definitely make a full separate video dedicated to Insight Cosmetics non-transfer liquid lipsticks. On that particular, I can make the whole video. But for that, you need to give this video huge thumbs up. Okay, so what I can do is I can just explain you, I can just brief you. It is this kind of packaging. You all can see it is Insight Cosmetic non-transfer liquid lipstick. Okay, this is proudly made in India brand. Yeah, this is made in India brand. So that is the biggest yay for me, because I'm trying to stop buying other than made in India products. I'm trying. I cannot say definitely I have stopped, because my channel is basically on reviews and hauls. So I do have to buy lot of things which are not made in India, but definitely I'm trying to reduce. Okay, so over here you all can see it comes in this kind of golden cardboard packaging. On this packaging they have given you the batch number, the manufacturer, the expiry date, as well as the cost. Okay, each and every detail is given over here. When you flip it over here, you can see the name and everything. It says Insight Cosmetics Makeup Essentials, Matte Texture, 24 hours waterproof, true color, smudge proof, paraben free, 100% vegetarian, vegan and long wear. That is what all the claims are given over here. Okay, one of the shade is already applied on my face. I'm using this one shade. It is Cocoa Plum 05. I've already applied that shade, so you all can check. And it is very comfortable. I cannot feel any dryness or anything. Definitely we'll be checking up the kiss proof test and everything. Okay, and the vegan sign is given, that is the green dot is given over here. Okay, each and everything is given on this packing, same packing. Now when we talk about the actual lipstick, it is this kind of black matte cap. Okay, and it is the bottom is color coated, not exactly color coated, it is transparent. So definitely you all can see the shade. So I have 2 shades, so I can make out which is which shade. Okay, over here they have given you Insight Cosmetics Makeup Essentials non-transfer lip color. That is what only these 2 details are given. Manufacturing and expiry is not given over here. But if you are a person who is very conscious about the expiry and all, so what you can do is you can make a chit and you can just apply somewhere on the cap, or maybe here somewhere you can apply it and you can keep it, so you can just have a look at it if you are throwing this away. But if you all are following me from a long time, then you all know that I keep my each and every makeup items in my box, in the box in which it comes. So I keep this box, but if you are going to throw away, keep that thing in mind. Okay, that much is written over here, and on the bottom they have given you the number. Okay, so in both the lipsticks you all can see the numbers. It is 05, I guess. Yeah, 05 and 03 they have given you. 03 is Divine Wine and 05 is Cocoa Plum. So what I'll do is, one shade is already applied on my lips. In the end of the video, I'll be giving you the lip swatches of both the things, but already one is applied. So what I'll do is I'll remove this and I attach a clip where I've applied the shade number 3, that is Divine Wine. I'll just show you the hand swatch right now. Okay, first we will see 03. It is Divine Wine. So this is the packaging. Okay, I forgot to tell you what is the shelf life. Manufacturing is 20 January 20 and expiry is 12/3/23. So total 3 years, that is 36 months you are getting, and this is made in India. So yeah, and it is, I think, cruelty free. Let me check. I don't think they have claimed cruelty free. No, they have not given that it is cruelty free. I'm so sorry, they have not given. So what I'll do is, this is 03 03. This is the first shade, that is Divine Wine. You all can see 03. Okay, this is the first shade. Now I'll show you the hand swatch, but 05 is already applied on my lips. I've already applied it, and I'll show you the kiss proof test as well. And you will say, Meghna, both the shades are looking almost similar, but after drying we can say whether these are similar or no, because this one 031 is drying in pink, little bit pink shade, that is you can say beet color. It is that kind of a wine color, and this is kind of cocoa plum, so it will dry up, I think, as on browner side. So this is the bottom one is 05, the bottom one. You all can see 05. Okay, so these are the two shades. What I'll do is, I'll give you a kiss proof test over here. It's already applied and it is dried. Okay, it is not transferring on my hands. I'll just show you the kiss proof test, whether it is kiss proof or no, because they say matte texture, but it is very comfortable on the lips, and it is a paraben free also. So keep that thing in mind. When you press it too hard, that time it transfers, but then it is too hard. But if you just, then it is not. So as for me, for 75 rupees, and you are getting, I think Nykaa is having approximate 12 shades, if I'm not wrong, because when I ordered that time 12 shades, all the shades were available except one. So definitely 11 shades were available at that time. So if you are giving a huge thumbs up to this video, I'll be definitely buying all the shades and I will be reviewing. But definitely for that, you need to give this video huge thumbs up. Y'all can see the shades have already dried up because I kept it for some time. Okay, the third shade, the first shade, the top one is 03 and the bottom is 05. Okay, now I'll show you the lip swatches. Okay, so this is the 05 shade which I have applied. Y'all can see. And this is the 03 shade what I have applied right now. You all can see. So I think I have covered each and every point, the lip swatches as well as the detail. But still, if you have any query, if you want to ask me anything related to this particular video or maybe in general, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll be happily replying you as soon as possible. And if you have any other thing to ask me, you can DM me also in my Instagram also. I don't have any problem there as well. So if you are watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, then give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And that's all for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.